In a verdant garden, nestled among the vibrant blooms, lived a peculiar budgerigar named Bold. Bold was unlike any other bird. His feathers were a splendid tapestry of every color under the sun. One day, Bold felt a strange restlessness. He yearned for something more, something different. His vibrant colors seemed to him like a cage of their own, confining him within the ordinary. One evening, as the sun was setting, Bold noticed a peculiar visitor. A traveler, passing through the garden, carried with him a magical brush. Intrigued, Bold asked, "Sir, can you paint my colors as you see fit?" The traveler agreed, and with a stroke of his brush, he painted Bold with a single color, a brilliant, unbroken hue of azure. Bold felt a strange sense of freedom, but also a pang of regret. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Bold realized that his vibrant colors were not a cage, but a testament to his uniqueness. He yearned for the kaleidoscope of colors he once possessed. One day, Bold met a wise old owl who said, "True beauty is not in the absence of diversity, but in the harmony of differences." Your colors are your strength, Bold, not your weakness. With renewed understanding, Bold asked the traveler to return his colors. The traveler, with a smile, painted Bold back to his original form, each feather a vibrant, unique shade. Bold, now wiser, spread his wings and soared above the garden, his colors shining brightly against the sky. He realized that his journey had not been about finding something more, but about understanding the value of his own uniqueness. The tale of Bold serves as a reminder that true beauty lies in embracing our differences, for it is these differences that make us truly exceptional.